ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
All right, kids, bam! Today is the pop test of the PatriotBlades Bird 1, which, what did my buddy called it? JJimbal. JJimbal. So, this is my test tattoo battery. This is nothing special. Use a hot battery in this thing, and this thing's going to be sick. So, the whole point of this is just a pop test. We're just doing it in angle mode. And this is to make sure GimbalGuy shits his britches when he flies this. Woohoo! That's pretty. Okay. Fail-safe test. Good. Alright, motor beeper test. Good. Now let's see if this thing does an angle. Ready? Wow. Yeah. Yeah, hang on. Nice.
Bam, JJ. Hope you like fishing.